In this video, I'll show you how to fix this Schedule 1 error code 126. Failed to load SteamOverlay.dll on Steam. Method 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Save your work and reboot your PC. Method 2. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click the game causing the error. Click Properties, Local Files, Verify integrity of game files. Wait for Steam to check and fix any missing or corrupted files. Method 3. Reinstall Steam Overlay. In Steam, go to Settings, In-Game. Make sure Enable the Steam Overlay while In-Game is checked. Uncheck it, restart Steam, then check it again and restart Steam once more. Method 4. Run Steam as Administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut. Select Run as Administrator. I'll launch your game again and see if the error persists. Method 5. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause DLL errors. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers. Method 6. Reinstall Steam, last resort. Backup your game files. Uninstall Steam from your PC. Download and reinstall the latest version from steampowered.com. Restore your game files and check if the problem is fixed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more PC and gaming fixes.